Hey, well, this is Jeremy Friedland again, and thanks for clicking on that link. And I'm going to walk you through my funnel, my giveaway funnel, and show you exactly how I was able to get 3,318 email subscribers so far, and what my funnel looks like. So you can walk through it, and then at the end of this walkthrough, I'm actually going to give you the link to my funnel, so you can just click on the link if you're a ClickFunnels user and steal my funnel and use it to for whatever niche or whatever products that you're in that you want to do, and have at it. So here is my funnel. Right now I have it in test mode so that no live people are coming through it, and had the ads off and whatnot. So I'm just going to walk you through this really quick. So basically what you're seeing here is I ran a Facebook ad to my particular niche, to some audiences in my niche, and basically just sent them to this landing page. And obviously not the greatest looking landing page, but it works. It's working really well. It actually converts at 77% as the giveaway. And I'm going to walk you through these other steps here. So basically what happens is someone comes from a Facebook ad and they come to my landing page here, and it says, hey, we're giving away this Few Lemon Zest diffuser. We're giving away one every Friday. It's a $49 value, and winners are announced by email every Friday morning. They have the option of choosing a yellow, green, blue, or orange diffuser. Now, these diffusers cost me about $9. So it's cost me $9 a week to give away one of these things, and has gotten me thousands and thousands of subscribers. So what they do basically is they just hit this enter contest now. Now, I have tested using just an opt-in form here and just having the button, and this way has increased my conversions quite a bit. So they just hit there, and they enter their first and last name. So I'll say Jeremy, and I won't type in my last name. I don't need to really, but people still do. And then my email. So test at. I think ClickFunnels is smart now, so it doesn't allow me to do this. But and then yes, please use a real email. So I'm going to use my my email here, Jeremy at Digital Marketing Maniacs. This is one of my other companies. Okay. Maniacs.com. Oopsie. There we go. And then a mobile number, I'll just use okay. And I will confirm my entry there. And then on the next page, it says, congratulations, you're in. We announce winners by email every Friday morning, but wait, get a prize just for entering. Get our best-selling oil diffuser necklace free, just pay for shipping and handling. So basically what they do is they just come on board here, and they say, yes, I want my free necklace. I understand this is a one-time offer that I will not see again. Has a picture of the necklace there. I don't offer any variants with that necklace. It's just, that's the only one they get. And now with a new feature that you may not have yet, I have it currently, but you may not have it yet, is actually the Shopify integration with ClickFunnels now. So if you own a Shopify store, you can integrate this product with your Shopify store, and it will order it directly from your Shopify store, which is pretty awesome. So there's no manually ordering this or having to go to AliExpress, which is what I use for this, to go and manually order this product and type in all the information yourself. It just automatically goes through. So basically it has a countdown timer. Says, please note this is a one-time offer for new email subscribers. You will not see this offer again. And then it says order my order my diffuser necklace with a countdown timer. And then once again it says the necklace came, just has a kind of a couple of customer testimonials. The necklace came on time as advertised. We'll shop here again for sure. Bought two for my wife. She loves them and gets complimented on them all the time. So I could put quotation marks on there. Like I said, this is an ugly funnel, but it works. So, and then on the bottom here, it just says this is not part of a Facebook website or Facebook Inc. Additionally, this site is not endorsed by Facebook in any way. Facebook is a trademark of Facebook Inc. So I just put that as a cautionary thing for myself so I don't get tagged by Facebook. And then it says order my diffuser. So then you go on there and it says, warning, this is in test mode. So I can put in my information there. And what I do now is I actually give them the option to order as many as they want, up to 10. So, and then the price gradually goes down if they order, the more that they order. So it works out really well for them. So basically what I do now is I go and fill out this credit card information here. And I'll go and just put that in there really quick. And card number there. And CVC, we'll just make that up. Sure, that looks good. Complete order, select country, United States, state, Washington. Just make sure that's all good. Okay. And then I'll just hit complete order. And you hear my baby in the background. She's trying to crawl around. So, all right. And then what happens now is they actually go to the next page where they actually get to the opportunity to order the product that they entered the giveaway for. So it says, wait, save 70% off a lemon zest diffuser, add to your order for just $14.95, normally $49. And then it says, yes, add this for just $14.95. Warning, you will never see this price again. This is your one and only chance to get this diffuser at over 70% off. See how happy one of our customers is that she bought one for her office. So this is a customer testimonial for someone that bought this lemon diffuser and has it sitting in her office. And it says, when this timer hits 0, the buy button will disappear and so will this deal. So I only give them about 6 minutes to make a decision. And says, yes, add this for just $14.95. No thank you. By clicking this link, I understand I will not see this offer again. And then offers the guarantee. So they click, yes, add this for just $14.95. And then it goes to the thank you page. So basically has all this stuff here. And then additionally, on my page, I'm actually offering, so this is basically the thank you page. It says congrats. Below you'll find all your stuff complete. And then on the thank you page, I actually have more products for sale. So they can actually go to directly to my Shopify store and order these products. So our entire storefront of unique apparel you might be interested in, and they just go in there and they can actually go to the store and shop for this apparel on their own, and it directs them directly to my website where I can make more money off of them. Now, additionally, I have more emails going out to these people. So you can see here how I'm able to email them more. So I've sent 29,506 emails off of this list so far, gotten 1,300 clicks. And you can see here I send just a bunch of emails on there, just pages and pages of emails. I usually email them twice a week with offers. And then, of course, I email them the lemon zest diffuser winner with an offer as well. So what I do basically is I send them an offer basically that just says, hey, here's the winner for this week. If you didn't win, you still have a chance to win. So I can go here and preview the email. It says, well, it's that time again. We're announcing the winner for this week. Make sure to read this entire email because we have something very special for you at the end. We've had over 3,200 people enter this contest, and we're excited to see so many of you message us and tell us how excited you are to win. That being said, we can only pick one winner each week, so I want to give you a big shout out to our winner this week, Karina Witt. Karina, make sure to send us a Facebook message with your address and the color of diffuser you want, and we will send it right out to you. Everyone else, let's congratulate Karina today and keep your fingers crossed for the drawing next Friday. Do you still want a lemon diffuser? These lemon diffusers are a customer favorite and sell for $39.99 on our website every day, but if you still want a lemon diffuser, we are giving you an opportunity to order it from us for 60% off until Sunday at midnight. No limit. Plus, we are paying for shipping, so there's no surprises at checkout. Your coupon is June 30, 17. Copy and paste this at checkout. This discount expires Sunday night, so grab as many as you want. So then it just says, for the rest of this weekend only, we have extended our $10 sale. We have over 30 items or less for less than $10, and so this basically sends them to another page on our website where everything is under $10. And that has worked out for us just amazing. That $10 page is actually one of our most popular and provides the most revenue for our store. And so I'm more than happy to give you the email sequence as well, but it's pretty simple. Just every week I send out this exact same email, and then during the course of the week I'll send out other offers through my Klaviyo account. So that is it, guys. That's the funnel. So if you go ahead and just enter your information below, I'll actually give you the link to this funnel for free, no strings attached at all. Just click that link and I'll email you the share link for this funnel. So hopefully that was valuable for you guys and you've enjoyed that, and I will talk to you soon.